What's up, how's going, bros? Welcome to my channel. You can call it Code Gems, as this is my first tutorial, and as you have read the caption, as you have read the title, so we are going to add some fire effect images. So without wasting any time, let's move on to Photoshop. So here we are. So first of all, Ctrl plus N to get the new artboard. Here I am taking 1000 into 500. Resolution must be 72 and color mode must be RGB. Background content white. Press OK. So here we got the new artboard. Okay, double click on this lock icon to get this unlock. Press OK. Double click on this icon again and go to color overlay. Click on this color box and make it to black. Here we go. Press OK and then OK. So here we got the black artboard. So we need a line image now. We are going on to Google. You can write here lion roar images, and here we have lion roar images. You can pick anyone you want, and if you want some free images, free stock images, you can go to pexels.com and pixabay.com. Here you can find some amazing free images. Okay, so as I have already got the line image, so here we are. So next step, what we are going to do, no longer procedure, that we are going to save image in no longer procedure. Just right click on it, copy image, and go on to Photoshop. Just Ctrl plus V. Here we have the line image. So it is a much larger picture. Just Ctrl T to transform it and Ctrl 0 to minimize it on it full. Okay, so what we are going to do next is that press Shift, press Alt and left click and then drag it down. Here we go, and then drag it down on the artboard. Here we go. Press Enter. Now Ctrl plus 0 to maximize on its full. Okay, here we got the line image. Ctrl plus T, then right click and flip horizontal. Press Enter. Here we are going to make it more smaller so it doesn't look bad. Okay, so next step, go to image adjustments and black and white. Just click on it and just OK. Here we go. Okay, then now we're going to press E to get the razor tool. Then go here and select that faded effect and remove the unwanted area you want. Here we go. I'm also removing its sharp corners so it will blend in a good way. Here we go. Okay, so now we need some fire effect images. Go on to Google again and we're going to write down here fire stock images. Press Enter. Here we have. You can pick anyone you want. I am taking one this. No longer procedure, no save image as. Just click, right click on this, copy image and go on to Photoshop. Just Ctrl plus V. Here we have. Make it in the center. Ctrl plus T to transform. Ctrl 0 to minimize, and press Shift, press Alt and left click and drag it down in the center. Here we go. Press Enter. Ctrl 0 to fit the actual size. Okay, Ctrl plus T again so we can put this in a comfortable position. Here we have, and a little bit smaller. Here we go. Okay, Ctrl J to duplicate it. Here we have the next layer. Ctrl T again, making it rotate. Okay, press Enter. Now what we are going to do, going to take the first layer and change its blend mode from normal to screen. Taking the second layer and doing the same thing, go to its blend mode from normal to screen. Here we go. As we have started some getting things up. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is Ctrl plus E to merge the layer. Here we go. We have merged the both layers. Again, go to blend mode from normal to screen. Here we go. Okay, So what we are going to do next is Ctrl plus Shift plus N to get the new layer. I am renaming it to orange brush, and press OK or enter. Okay, so what we are going to do, select a bright orange, press OK, and press B to get the brush icon. Just again take this faded effect and just color here. Okay, so next step, press V to get the cursor, and then go to blend mode and change from normal to overlay. Here we go. Now we have got some nice effect here. Okay, you can make it move. There we go. So we are making it on the center, and now I need some fire particle images so it will look more realistic, more professional. Fire particles, stock images, press enter. Here you can get anything, any picture you want. So I am selecting take this one or this one. Just right click on it, copy image, and go on to Photoshop, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl T to transform, and right click, flip horizontal, make it a little smaller, press enter, and now change its blend mode from normal to screen. There we go. Some nice and great effect. Okay, so here you can see there's a sharp corner image, sharp side. So what we are going to do, take the razor tool, make it smaller, and just remove its sharp corners. Here we go. Nice. And a little bit on his face. There we go. Got the fire particle image. You can Ctrl J to duplicate it and make it more brighter. Ctrl plus E to get merged, and from normal to screen. Here we go. We got the fire particle image here. So click on the first layer and press Shift and click on the last layer. Here we go. So it will select all the layers. Ctrl G to group it and drag it down to the right, and then Ctrl J to duplicate it. Here we go. Make it on the back side, and then make it larger by Ctrl T. Make it more larger, so it will give the more cinematic effect. Now we will make its opacity to 10%. Here we go. Some nice and more cinematic effect we have. So this is the final image we were talking about. So in this tutorial we learned how to add fire effect images, and if you liked it, so please subscribe my channel so I can provide you more amazing designing techniques in near future. And I also learned Illustrator, so we will get on this too. So please like and support my videos, and please help me out. And if you need some more amazing designing techniques you want, you can tell me in comment box so I can provide the videos as per your request. Okay, maybe peace with you. Thank you.